Any unwanted and harmful change in the environment is called pollution. The agents which cause pollution are called pollutants. Types of pollution. There are three main types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. 1. Air pollution. The undesirable and harmful change in air is called air pollution. There are many causes of air pollution. Some important causes are given below. A. Oxides of carbon combustion processes produce oxides of carbon like carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Oxides of nitrogen. Various sources of production of oxides of nitrogen are from chemical fertilizers, lightning, and decay of organic matter. C. Oxides of sulfur. Burning fuels in cars produces sulfur dioxide. It is also emitted from brick kilns and volcanic eruptions. D. Chlorofluorocarbons, or CFCs. CFC emissions are from refrigeration and air conditioning processes, and these are major reasons for depleting the ozone layer. Lead compounds. Compounds of lead cause air pollution, which can cause damage to the brain. Particulates. These are the particles suspended in the air like dust particles. Ethylene and acetylene can become significant sources of air pollution. 2. Water pollution. The contamination of water bodies with toxic harmful substances and pathogens like fungi, viruses, bacteria, etc. is called water pollution. Causes of water pollution. There are many reasons and effects of water pollution. Incomplete treatment of sewage. Domestic sewage water from households is discharged into rivers and lakes. Due to sewage pollution, the concentration of ammonia, nitrates, and phosphate increases, and that of oxygen decreases in water. This results in the death of aquatic life. Sewage serves as food for bacteria. These bacteria cause diseases like cholera and typhoid by drinking polluted water containing bacteria. Industrial effluents. Industries generate a lot of wastes. Some of these wastes contain very toxic compounds of mercury, cadmium, lead, chromium, and arsenic. Insecticides. Some of the insecticides, such as dichlorodiphenyl trichloroethane or DDT, cannot be broken down by microorganisms like bacteria. The rainwater may carry insecticides and pesticides into streams, rivers, and lakes. If the concentration of insecticides increases in water, this may poison fish or other animals drinking such water. Herbicides. Herbicides are used to eliminate weeds. Some of the herbicides contain a substance called dioxin, which is harmful. When it is washed by rainwater into streams or rivers, it pollutes that water. It can cause cancer. Chemical fertilizers. Most of the fertilizers are not absorbed by the crops and may be washed away by the rainwater into lakes or rivers and thus cause water pollution. Such polluted water adversely affects aquatic life. Land pollution. The deposition of solid and liquid material on the land or underground in a manner that can contaminate the soil and groundwater is called land pollution. It is the degradation of Earth's land surfaces, often caused by human activities and their misuse of land resources. Causes of land pollution. Main causes of land pollution are deforestation and soil erosion, mining activities, overcrowded landfills, industrialization, over-construction activities, and nuclear wastes. Effects of land pollution. Land pollution is a serious problem that impacts humans, plants, animals, earth, and water resources. It causes groundwater poisoning, loss of top fertile soil, loss of habitat, and human health problems. Effects of pollution on plants, animals, and human beings. Excessive levels of pollution are causing a lot of damage to humans, animals, plants, and trees, as well as their wider environment. All types of pollution, air, water, and soil, have impacts on the living environment. Effects of environmental pollution on humans. Pollution causes not only physical disabilities, but also psychological and behavioral disorders in humans. The following pollution effects on humans have been reported. Effects of air pollution. Reduced lung functioning. Irritation of eyes, nose, mouth, and throat. Increased respiratory diseases such as bronchitis and asthma. Reduced energy levels. Headaches and dizziness. Disruption of endocrine, reproductive, and immune systems. Cardiovascular problems. Cancer. Effects of water pollution. Many diseases are caused by drinking polluted water, such as typhoid, amoebiasis, ascariasis, rashes, earache, respiratory infections, hepatitis, diarrhea, vomiting, stomach aches, cancer, and nervous disorders. Control of pollution. Pollution causes unexpected and sometimes serious and devastating changes in our land, rivers, seas, and atmosphere. Pollution can kill animals and plants, and it probably kills us too. Some of the measures to control pollution are as follows. Buy organic cotton products such as clothes, bags, and shoes, which can be decomposed. Don't use plastic bags. Buy cotton or other bags to use for your shopping. Use rechargeable batteries and electronic items. Use public transport, walk or cycle, or share a car. The fewer vehicles that are used, the less pollution will be emitted. This means better health for us and our environment. Plant more and more trees to maximize forestation. Install sewage treatment plants in all cities. Conservation of nature. Conservation is the use of natural resources wisely and tactfully. Environmental conservation is the management of the biosphere by man in a way that it may yield the greatest benefits to the present generation while maintaining its potential to meet the needs and demands of future generations. Need and importance of conservation. The conservation of natural resources by ecological principles is very essential in ensuring a continuous yield of plants, animals, and materials for the fast-growing human population. Human activities can upset the balance of nature. Therefore, conservation of the environment is needed. The following measures are to be adopted to achieve this goal: to ensure the protection of plant and animal species, to prevent the extinction of plants and animals, to maintain a stable ecosystem with balanced biochemical cycles, to minimize pollution to prevent global warming, the greenhouse effect, and acid rain, to ensure the conservation of marine life as it is a major source of food, to ensure the conservation of forests which provide fiber, textile, oil, rubber, food, wood, timber, medicine, perfume, and furniture, etc., to promote the tourism industry. Recycling of wastes. Recycling is processing used materials or wastes into new useful products. As mineral and other resources become scarcer, they also become more expensive. The recycling of materials may also reduce the amount of energy used in manufacturing. In turn, this helps to reduce pollution. Recycling of glass bottles not only reduces energy but also recycles sand, which is required for the formation of glass. Polythene waste is now also recycled. Waste paper can be recycled and used again, mainly for making paper and cardboard. Newspapers are recycled and used again for news printing. So, by recycling processes, we can save energy, prevent the depletion of natural resources, and minimize environmental pollution.